Good morning, students. Welcome to the first session of English Prime Book, lesson number 1, The Attic. Children, name the rooms that are there in your homes. Yes, there are many rooms in our homes like the bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, drawing room, etc. Now, children, name the rooms shown in the picture above. The first picture is that of a bedroom and the second picture is that of a kitchen. Now tell me, what are the differences between these rooms? Right, the bedroom is the one where we sleep and rest, and the kitchen is the room where we cook food. Children, on rainy days, you all can't go out to play, and so you all use any one of the rooms in your house to play with your friends. Right? In this lesson too, there are some kids who on a rainy day play in an attic. What is an attic? An attic is a small space just below the roof of the house. It is mostly used as a storeroom. We sometimes store the material which is not frequently used in the attic. Let us start then. We will read first. Rain, rain, rain. How it rained. The great drops ran down the glass in streams. Mohan, Afzal and little Noori watched it for a long time. Oh dear, they said at last. Do you think it will ever stop raining? We want to go out and play. Mohan had an idea. Why don't we go up to the attic and play? He asked. The other two thought it was a wonderful plan. Of the three friends went running up the wooden stairs with their noisy feet. They found three old brooms and began to play soldier. Mohan first, then Noori, with Afzal last of all. The attic wasn't very large, but the children made space to play. Now, let me explain to you the story up to where we have read. Rain, rain. How it rained. The great drops ran down the glass in streams. What is the stream? When the little drops of water fall on the glass pane, they move down in the form of a line. Now here, Mohan, Afzal and little Noori are the three friends who are stuck up inside the house due to rain, and they want to move out and play. They are talking to each other that the rain is pouring out for a long time. They are also wondering if the rain will ever stop. Mohan comes up with the idea of playing in the attic. What is the meaning of attic? Attic means a space or room inside the roof of a building. Mohan tells his friends to come up in the attic to play, and the other two friends also agree that it is a wonderful plan to go in the attic and play. All the three friends run up the wooden stairs with their noisy feet. What is the meaning of noisy feet? It means to walk noisily, and there all three of them take old brooms and start playing soldier soldier. It means they start playing a game wherein they have to act like soldier. Mohan walks in front with the broom, marching like a soldier. He is followed by Noori and Afzal. Though there is not much space to play as the attic is small, the children make some space for them to play. So children, in the next session, we will see what happens further. Read the story up to where it has been taught. Thank you. Stay safe.